G'day guys, Trade Trev here. Just want to show you this light fitting. Now, Big Clive has done a review on these bad boys. These are these integrated driver parts. I thought, fuck it, let's just go and change out this old 50-watt light. I think she had her own inbuilt driver here, had its own reflector that actually covered the light originally. So I've tripled the rating of it. Anyway, this fitting has died. And I reckon it's from excessive heat. You could probably see a little bit of the scar marks there. But hey, I just wanted to show you what actual fault these things happen with these guys. Okay, so she's had an active earth fault. If I just power it up, 250 volts, DC, with my little mega. Look at those little funky lights. Yeah, very funky, aren't they? So that's active earth. So that just means like literally that whole substrate has gone down to ground. So yeah, that'll trip the RCD every time of the week. Let's try a neutral earth. And I'm sure that she may also light up too. Yeah, look at that. Neutral earth. Bang. Every day of the week. So, yeah. These light fittings are actually pretty shit. I would not recommend changing out your old light fittings. Oh, let's chuck in one of these driverless ones. Nah, they're just crap, man. You're going to trip an RCD every day of the week. And there's a proof for it. See yous.